Just put 3 pilot sleeves on 3 different studs, forming a triangle. Chase them up with 3 flange nuts to 50 or 100 foot-pounds. The wheel is now centered on those 3 pilot sleeves. Even if the holes were not perfect or there was corrosion or a buildup in the stud hole. Each sleeve has rifling around the outside that will grind off or cut away the corrosion when needed to help center the wheel in the stud hole. And with 3 pilot sleeves on 3 different studs, the wheel will become perfectly centered on the bearing of that hub. Put on the last 7 nuts and torque all 10 down to the 450 or 500 foot-pounds or whatever the factory specs are. Yup, that's it. And you're done.